What's up guys, Gargacy back with another video. Today we're gonna unbox the Yongtin tripod, so let's get right into it. Okay, so first of all, please drop a like. I pronounce that name very hard, so give it a like, thumbs up, and comment down below anything you want. Without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Actually, this is the same tripod that I'm currently using also, so it's very great. So even screw this in, it came unscrewed. Yes, like that, and then plug the phone holder on it, screw that also. Alright, that's looking beautiful. Okay, this tripod I like it better than the first version. First version talked about YT228, 226, and it has a button that you press it. But this is something different. You push it like this, like to the side, and you can then scroll it to whatever you want, the angle that you want, and after you're done you just leave it and it sits firmly on it. So yeah, let's get an example going, and it's actually very pretty stiff on my desk. So let's get the phone right here. Alright, and you put it like this. Alright, I'm gonna just do it a little bit down, and now what you can see is that I'm also using another SX Edge to record on this video on the same kind of tripod. See, the same kind of tripod. Shout out for the clear skin of the Galaxy S6 Edge, pretty awesome. And yeah guys, that was it for this review of this tripod. I hope you liked it. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.